Hello South Africa, Tumilang, Enda, Molweni, Abusheni, Sanibonani, nonke kuphina kuphela khona isibukele nikho namhlanje ke mbukeli sisephezulu kwalo udaba esithemba ukuthi udaba leli olukuthintayo lapho ngasekhaya nawe uthanda ukuthi uzuthi ngabe yini eqhubekayo njengoba sake seza nje la sasizo informa khona sizokwazisa khona ukuthi sekunesehle esenzekile esishiye abantu abaningi bephatheka kabuhlungu actually imajority yama South African nationality sekuze kwafika ngisho usuku lokuthi abekwe endaweni yakhe okugcina osukeni langolwesibili kuyi-23 zika December 2025 ubebekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina uDJ Waras lapho khona amalunga omndeni nezihlobo nabangani bede bephelele behlanganyele khona bezokwenza isend off yakhe uDJ Waras. Kodwa ke noma kunjalo esebeke endlini yakhe yokugcina ama-South African nabo bonke nje abantu abamthandayo abakakutholi ukuthula emoyeni, ihlonja abakayitholi njengoba sisalindele ukuthi sithole ukuthi ngabe obani laba abenze isihloko esinjena abashiya isizwe sonke esasiningizimu Afrika sisefini lemnyama. Namhlanje nje ubona kwihloko esibhale kusona nje mbukeli kunjalo impela namhlanje uzokhumbula ke ukuthi ngesonto eledlule umphathi wamaphoyisa Mr Fani Masemula laphana eGauteng uconfirmile last week ngesonto eledlule ukuthi they already identified the suspect and they will be arrested during the week or over a week. Ake simcaphune nje kafushane nje uMr Masemula la ekhulumela khona kafushane.
Suspect has been identified and he will be arrested. I'm sure before Monday we will have the suspect arrested. He's a known suspect. He will definitely, if not today, but over the weekend, that suspect will be arrested.
Kunjalo ke mbukeli usuku lwanamhlanje lusiphathele izindaba egcwalisa noma econfirma amagama kaMr noma kaCommissioner uFani Masemula lapho khona esho ukuthi abenzi bokubi laba bakhona sebebonakele noma bathintekayo yebo babanjiwe. On Monday we got the news from the SAPS investigation unit lapho khona nabade sebe confirma amagama ka Mr Fani Masemula noma uGeneral Fani Masemula lapho khona ngempela kuvelile ukuthi I know bakhona abantu asebetholakele okuyibona namhlanje abazobamba ufront page emaphepheni njengoba bezovela lapha enkantolo kwenamhlanje. Ngiyazi ke mbukelo ungasekhaya uyafisa ukuthi uthole ukuthi ngabe obani labantu abashiye iningizimu Afrika isefini elimnyama. Ngiyazi ukuthi ufisa ukwazi ukuthi ngabe babuya kuphi kona labo bantu abanesihluku esingaka. Kodwa ke umkhondo noma kuyikona sikuphethe namhlanje okukhomba ukuthi ngempela kukhona okuphathekayo okusilidela ekutheni sithole ukuthi ngabe obani laba. Likhona lona ithemba lokuthi umndeni kaMr noma kaDJ Waras uzokuthola ubulungiswa okuyikona amaphoyisa abuye nakho emva koko on Monday where Mr Fani Masemula gave us a promised date that can be during the week to over a week. So on Monday we received news from the spokesperson of Gauteng Police.
Let's get you an update on the breaking news tonight. Confirmation that 2 people have now been arrested in connection with the murder of popular media personality, DJ and businessman Warwick Stock, who was better known as DJ Waras. He was shot dead outside a hijacked building in the Johannesburg city centre last week. Well, police say he was approached by 3 unknown men, all of whom were captured on CCTV camera. They opened fire before fleeing the scene on foot. Let's get an update then on the arrests. Bring in Gauteng Police spokesperson Brenda Muridili. Always good to talk to you, Brenda. Thank you for making time to be on SABC News tonight. Tell us more about the people who've now officially been arrested. Is it the same 2 who were taken in for questioning in the early hours of today?
Thank you, Tembelihle. Yes, it is the 2 who were taken in during the early hours of today around 2 a.m. So they were interviewed and the police certified, the investigating team has certified themselves that they can be linked to the murder and they will be charging them with murder. For now, they have been detained.
As far as they link to the killing of Warwick Stock, are these two people in custody among the three who were caught on CCTV camera on the day of the murder?
At this stage, I would say that, the two that approached Warwick, they are not the three that approached Warwick. These are not they are not part of those three. So those people are still out there, and the police are still looking for them.
So how do these two then fit into the picture?
Those are the things that will be ventilated in court, but we are satisfied that these people are part of our murder investigation and they will be charged with murder.
When umagange you are eager to see their faces uthi obani labo as umuzwa ke spokesperson wamaphoyisa laphana eGauteng ethi they have not yet been identified, and but on Wednesday they will appear in court and they will be charged of murder. So before the person proven guilty, the person is still a suspect, and the suspect, it does not mean you are already identified as the person who committed the crime. So that is why we cannot yet reveal the identities of the suspects that have been caught, but we will give you clue before these people are revealed in any media like newspapers or TVs, and all that will happen after the court has ruled. Right now, let me tell you something very shocking about this case and the process of the investigation. There's something very surprisingly. Njengamanje we have found ukuthi kukhona ngisho namaphoyisa are involved kulento le yokubulawa ka DJ Waras. Amaphoyisa asemzansi, they are involved. Yazi kufika la ngiyibuza khona ukuthi uma ngabe amaphoyisa eba involved ekubulaweni komuntu odume kangaka, ebe azi kahle ukuthi icase efana nale, it's a high profile case, investigate nje as like kufe unobody nje kuye ekhamisini kuthatha statement and then kuthiwe ayi sizo icala lizoqhubeka kodwa kusamele kutholakala ufakazi. Lana ufakazi noma bengatholakali kodwa i-state sikhipha ama resources aso kusetshenzwe. Amaphoyisa ayakwazi lokho, ayazi ukuthi how do they work when they investigate a high profile case. So there are police that are involved. Yeah. So I ask myself ukuthi umuntu osuke enenkinga edinga ukuvikelwa ingalo yomthetho la South Africa angawathemba kanjani lamaphoyisa, angathemba kanjani kangakanani ukuthi ngempela uphephile mengabe ebeka impilo yakhe thatha ithemba ngempilo yakhe libeka amaphoyiseni uma ngabe amaphoyisa ekwazi ukuthi abe involved kuma crime activities afana nalawa kubantu abafana nabo DJ Waras. No. Mbukele wena ngasekhaya uzobhala kwi comment section nawo okuyikho ocabangayo ngesithombe onaso ngamanye amaphoyisa alapha eMzansi indlela asebenza ngayo ukuthi ngabe yini le ngaziwa holela entweni ekanjena nje ukuthi athinteke entweni efana nalezi, kodwa ke siza ukuthi ngabe angena kanjani amaphoyisa kule nyakanya.
May I ask what it was during their interviews that confirmed the suspicions of the police that they were indeed involved?
Remember, when the police do their investigation, there's certain evidence that they look at. There's technological evidence, there's evidence which was found on the scene. There's a lot of evidence that they look at, and one of those evidence certified what the police were suspecting, that these two were involved, hence they have been arrested.
Does their arrest, Brenda, bring us closer to the capture, the detention of the three then who have been placed on the scene via video footage from last Tuesday?
The investigating team is confident that they are closing in on the gunmen.
Do we know where they are? Do you have any suspicion as to their movements currently? Because I don't know if you saw last week there was some reporting that in fact one of them may have returned to the scene in the hours subsequent to the shooting while people were gathered, in fact.
The police, the team that is investigating, remember, it comprises of crime intelligence, the DPC's provincial tracking team, as well as the serious and violent crime investigations. They know who they are looking for, and they are confident that they will be making those arrests.
And just
Nje ke mbukele ngifuna singene lapha ekutheni ngabe labantu basolakala ukuthi bakuphi la khona ke wena usuzothola ihluku ukuthi labantu babukeka kanjani babuya kuphi ila uzothola khona ihluku njengamanje kodwa uma kuukuthi mbukele ufuna ukubabona labantu yes later today sizoyiveza ithombe zabo sizoveza enye ivideo la khona after i-court sibe appeal kwi-court eJohannesburg after that ke nathi sizobe sesikwazi ukuthi siba reveal ama identities abo okwamanje wena mbukeli ngasekhaya eme ukuthi unothando lokuthi ubabone before bavele kuma media social platforms or newspapers before nje bavele lapho ngoba it's gonna take long that so wena namhlanje hamba uye eJohannesburg court eJohannesburg High Court labazo appearela khona uzofike ubaboneke ekhona icaleni njengoba bezovela namhlanje la khona bazofikeke bachargwe khona babe identified as ama potential suspect as like spokesperson of police in Gauteng eshilo ukuthi they will appear in court and then they will be charged with the charges of murder of DJ Warras. Okwamanje thina sikuphathele kona nje singakutshengisa kona noma singakuvezela kona ukuze uthole iclue ukuthi uPremier wase Gauteng uMr Panyaza Lesofi ushayele izandla amaphoyisa ase Gauteng ewabonga ngokwenza kahle kakhulu ekutheni asheshe aligijimise leli cala noma investigation yaleli cala ukuthi isheshe kangaka kube khona izinto eziphathekayo ready sekukhulunywa ukuthi ziyenzeka njengoba sisho nje ukuthi namhlanje abasolwa bayovela lapha enkantolo uMr Panyaza Lesofi ubhalile lapha kuma social platforms akhe wathi well done South African Police Services for tracing the alleged killers of DJ Warras. Ubeke esebhala i-report of the success ukuthi ngabe luhlanganise kanjani itulo lokubamba lezi gebengu. Uthe success report a multidisciplinary team received intelligence regarding the whereabouts of the suspects involved in the murder of DJ Warras. An operational plan was immediately activated, leading to a coordinated intervention at Merafe station. The operation was successfully executed and both suspects were arrested and subsequently detained at Johannesburg Central SAPS. Abasolwa ke laba batholakale eSoweto iMerafe hostel le khulwa ngayo iseSoweto if awazi iseSoweto abantu abahlala eGoli bazoyazi ke iMerafe hostel eMerafe hostel abantu abahlala khona sikunikeza iclo ukuthi ngabe abantu abakanjani laba u99 noma u95% wakhona abantu abakhuluma ulimi engilukhulumayo abantu abaningi nje bayazi ke vele uthi hostel kutholakala abantu abanjani uzokhumbula ke embukelo ukuthi njengamanje noma before investigation kuba khona ama findings akhona ngokuthi who are the suspects bekukhona ukuthi uDJ Warras ubulawe abantu ubukhamba and we still waiting to find out ukuthi obani vele laba benze lesenzo lesi njengoba nalabantu abangama suspects atholakala hostel eMerafe they are the suspects but it is not said ukuthi ibona abadubule babulala kodwa kuthiwa ba abantu aba involved njengoba namaphoyisa involved as you all of us we know ukuthi i-case efana nalena ingathinti umuntu oyi-1 kuphela, kanjalo nenkabi mangabe ziyokwenza umsebenzi ofana nalona noma ziyobulala umuntu, akuvele nje ilali inkabi ivuke isithi ngisayobulala ubani ngoba uphazamisene nobani. Isikhathi esiningi zisuke ithunyiwe, kanti-ke uma sekwenziwa uphenyo nabantu abasuke bethinteke kuyibona abasuke bekhe itulo lokuthi uze kuthunywe iy'nkabi, bayafuneka ukuthi babanjwe, babekwe icala, bathole isigwebo esibafanele. Bengicabanga ukuthi njengamanje i-investigation isahamba kuleyo part, kuleyo leading way ukuze kutholakale noma kugcine kutholakele okuyena umuntu wadula wabulala uDJ Warasi. Mbukele njengoba sikutsheliye namanje sakutshela ukuthi sisabuya nezinye la ey'shisayo lapho khona sezobe sesithole udaba okuyilona olubuya enkantolo, sekutholakala ukuthi ngabe labantu abenze lento bangobani noma abasola kuyimanje okuyibona abakhona laphana emabhukwini emaphoyisa eJohannesburg Central SAPS, ngabe obani labo. So okwamanje ke yilezo nje esiphethe embukeli. Siyathemba ukuthi nje uzowafika lana nje ukuthi ungaze uyilike ivideo ugcine uyilikeile ke, siphinde sihlangane futhi mbukeli kanye nakumanye amavideo.